your hair has been struggling with slow hair growth, shedding, thinning edges, breakage, or hair that refuse to retain length, then you need to watch this entire video, because I almost ran the treatment out until I discovered something that completely changed my hair routine. After I stopped washing it off immediately, my hair started feeling thicker, softer, and much stronger. And the craziest part is I use only 2 ingredients that many people already have at home. So stay to the end of this video, because I'll also show you the biggest mistake that can stop the treatment from working. Our first ingredient is black tea. This looks like a normal cup of black tea, but it can do much more than you think. Black tea naturally contains caffeine. Studies suggest that caffeine may help support healthy hair follicles, which is why it's used in some hair care products. Black tea is also rich in natural plant nutrients that help protect your hair and make it feel more stronger and more healthier. If your hair breaks easily, feels weak, or get tangled after washing, black tea may become one of your new favorite natural treatments. But here is the interesting part. Black tea are only half of the secrets. The second ingredient is what made this recipe even more special. The next ingredient is cloves. Those tiny cloves may look small, but do not let their size fool you. They are full of natural goodies that can help your scalp stay healthy. Cloves contain a natural compound called ingenol. This helps keep your scalp fresh and clean. Create a better place for healthy hair to grow. They are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your hair from damaging that can make it weak and easy to break. Cloves also contain important minerals that help keep your hair and scalp healthy. Healthy hair does not start with expensive products. It starts with a healthy scalp. That is one reason cloves has been used in natural hair care for many generations. But wait, the real magic happens when those 2 ingredients come together. This is why I love this simple recipe. Cloves help take care of my scalp. Black tea help make my hair feel stronger and more healthier. One work on the scalp, the other one work on the hair. Together, they help create a healthy hair routine. My hair feel more stronger, more healthier, less breakage, and it get more shiner. And because my hair break less, it's easier for me to keep the length I grow. For a longer time, I used the treatment and wash it out straight away. Then I decided to leave it on for longer before my next wash day. After using it this way for some times, I noticed my hair felt softer, healthier, thicker, more fuller, and easy to comb. I also saw less breakage. That is why I decided to share this powerful recipe with you, because it works like magic. Just give it a try and you will never regret it. Make it as your part of routine and you will never regret it. Now let me explain how I prepare it. I make use of 2 bags of my black tea, 1 tablespoon of my cloves powder. If you have cloves balls, just make use of it. Also 1 tablespoon. For the black tea, there are different types of black tea. Like in Nigeria, if you have Lipton tea, you can also use it. It's also a black tea, okay? So any type of black tea you have available, just make use of it. Use 2 bags of it, 1 tablespoon of your cloves. Then put it in a very clean jar. Then add in hot water to it. Cover it up, allow it to infuse for 12 or 8 hours. After 12 to 8 hours, this is what I have so far. Then I bring a shifter and a bowl to collect my powerful tea spray. So I go ahead and add my Glycerin on it. Glycerin because of the moisture, because these 2 ingredients can dry your hair if you don't know how to use them correctly. So for you to be more a safer side, use Glycerin. If you also have rose water, you can also add your rose water to it, or add any of your hair oil to it. It can also help for the moisture. Okay, so after adding 1 tablespoon of my vegetable glycerin. Then I transfer them into this spray bottle for easy application. This recipe is very simple to prepare, but guys, you will not believe the result this will do to your hair. If you have been experiencing a lot of shedding, breakage, stagnant growth, thinning hair, please try this recipe. Do not skip to try this recipe, but make sure you watch this video to the end to know the full instruction on how to use it to avoid the treatment drying out your hair and causing you damage than good. Okay, I know most people have those two ingredients at home, but they do not know what those ingredients can do for hair. The real secret is not the ingredients, is how you use them. Most people lose the benefit because they rush this one simple step. The easy recipe has become one of my favorite hair treatments. People has used those natural ingredients for healthy hair for many years, and now I understand why. Many people spend a lot of money on hair products, but they forget one very important thing: the scalp. Healthy looking hair starts with a healthy scalp. That is why this simple 2-ingredient recipe catch my attention. Instead of trying to cover up the hair problems, it helped me focus on taking care of the place where my hair grows. Sometimes the simplest hair routine gives the best result when you stay consistent. Now, how to apply this treatment is very simple and straightforward. Just make sure your scalp is clean, then apply it on your scalp and also on your hair strands. But let your focus to be on the scalp, because the scalp is where the hair grow from, where you solve the hair problems. After applying this on your scalp and your hair strands, give yourself a gentle scalp massage. Please make sure you massage your scalp like 5 to 10 minutes. It's very important. It helps to promote faster hair growth, give more thicker hair, and also help this product to absorb properly on your hair follicles and also on your scalp. Okay, it's very important. So after doing all that, then the next thing now you do now is to follow up with your leave-in conditioner. Use the leave-in conditioner on your hair strands and also your hair butter on the strands. Then use your hair growth oil on the scalp. Massage your scalp again, then allow your hair to air dry. Please do not wash this out of your hair. If you're looking for better results, you don't need to worry anything. Just keep on watching. I'll give you more simple steps to follow that will help you to stay safe while using this particular treatment without washing it out. Okay? Now, here is what completely changed my result with this treatment. Instead of raising the treatment out immediately, I leave it in on my hair. That gives this ingredient more time to stay and do your amazing work on my scalp and also on my hair. So if you are looking for that simplest, affordable and effective ingredient that will help you to grow your hair without breaking the bank, this treatment is one of those simple and affordable and easiest but very potent and strong that will help you to solve your hair problems and promote longer hair growth. Because when your hair break less, you retain more length. Okay, do not joke with the treatment, but make sure you do a patch test first before you go ahead and use the treatment on your hair or leaving it for longer time on your hair. Okay, it's very important you do that. So after adding this to my routine, I notice less shedding, less breakage, softer hair, stronger strands, better length retention. Consistent is what made this recipe different. So if you are ready for that, try to be consistent and you see the magic start happening. Now, here are the mistakes that most people make with this treatment, and please pay close attention to avoid making those mistakes also. Number 1 mistake is they do not massage their scalp. Massaging your scalp with the treatment is the best for that better results. The second mistake is they use it once and expect miracles. Please try to be consistent and you see the miracle come in. Okay. Number 3 mistake is they do not moisturize their hair after applying the treatment on their hair. This is a very big disaster. After applying the treatment on your hair, follow up with your good moisturizer so that the treatment will not break off your hair. Okay. Now the next mistake is skipping the wash day for too long, leading to build up. Make sure you shampoo your hair. It's very important. Do your wash day routines once in a week or once in 2 weeks. It's very important. Hair growth take consistent. Do not expect the magic happen overnight. I repeat that again, okay? So I normally use the treatment 2 or 3 times each week, okay? So you can use it once in a week or 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week. Then I continue with my regular moisturizing and protective style routine, okay? Healthy habits work together with healthy hair. Now I have a question. If you had to choose one of those ingredients for hair growth, which one? Is it the gloves or the black tea? Which one should you pick? Let me know in comment section below, okay? Tell me in the comment section because I'm ready for every single message, okay? So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and also do well to turn on your notification bell so that you not miss my new upcoming videos, okay? Because I have another powerful natural recipe that will help you to solve your hair problems without to break the bank, okay? I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you all on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.